Hi guys, welcome to Damilola's Kitchen. On today's episode, we will be making pizza. First, I will name all my ingredients for my pizza. Now, this is my cheese, all of my cheese, my pizza dough, this is my sauce, this is my salt, my onion, my mushroom, my meat, that is ground beef, you can call it mixed meat. This is pepperoni and onion. Now you'll be needing this spice. This is Mary Dami fried rice spice. Now don't be confused because I say Mary Dami fried rice because I put fried rice on it. No, it doesn't mean that you can use just only fried rice. You can use it in any different kind of way. You can use it in your pizza sauce. You can use it to make jollof rice. You can use it to make fried rice. You can use it to make spaghetti. You can use it to make anything that you like. Yes, you can use it. Yeah, you can use it. So this spice it's coming very soon on my website. Don't worry, it will be there very soon. And these spices, it doesn't cost a fortune to buy. So if the spice has come, I will let you know because I'm posting everything on my channel so that you can know. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and please tell everybody you know about Damilola Olaleye's kitchen. Now we'll get started on the pizza. This is the saucepan. I'll be adding my ground beef to the pot. Now the spices that I show you, yes, you can use it to make vegetable sauce. Even you can add it to your fried yam or fried plantain. Yes, you can use it in a variety of ways. You don't need to put any oil to your pan because it's not lean meat. Yes, part. Adding my pepper to the ground beef. Now I'll be adding my seasoning. I'll add my salt. Then I'll be adding my Mary Dami fried rice seasoning to the sauce. You see, it has these two places. So if you like, you can use this side. You make it taste delicious. You make sure you mix it very well and let it cook. Now we'll be making the pizza. This is my pizza dough. You can find pizza dough at anywhere. You can find it at Walmart, Walgreens, whatever place that they sell groceries. You add your flour to the surface. Don't be stingy with your flour. Add it very well so that you can roll it generous. Be generous with it. Okay. You add more flour to the dough, turn it over, you add more. So that the reason why I'm adding the flour is that so that it will not stick to the pan, to the board. You see? Mix. Now we add our sauce. You add your sauce as much as you desire. If you don't want to add anything except the sauce and the cheese, you just add it. I can put it to this side first, so I can add my onion, my mushroom, add the mushroom to we like mushroom. We'll add the pepperoni. Let's add pepperoni first before adding the cheese. Pepperoni. Put everything there. They like pepperoni. Now, let me tell you about Mary Dami fried rice spice. You can add it to your vegetable stew. You can add it to your curry. Any curry you make, Indian curry, Jamaican style curry, add it. It will make it taste so good. Now I'm adding my cheese. This is the cheese. You can use any cheese that you like. This is the one I like. That's what I'm using. You can just use only one cheese, but I like 2 cheeses. You can add it. You can add Mary Dami's fried rice spice or your suya. It will make your suya too taste good. You can add it on your fish. Let's put it in. This is it. See? And cover it. Now we'll add our sauce. This one will not have all the vegetables in it. You see, this one has a lot of meat because there's no vegetables on it. That's why. So, see the cheese, and this is the second cheese. Add the cheese, just a little for now. Then add the pepperoni to it. Now let's talk about Mary Dami fried rice spice. You can use your the fried rice spice on your barbecue. Yes, you can add it on your barbecue. You can put it on your chicken, your fish, your shrimp. You can do it that way. It will taste delicious. You will put it on the next level. And if you are vegetarian, you can put it on your veggies like broccoli, spinach. Now let's talk about this spice one more. This is see, this is it's not GMO. It's a natural flavor, no artificial flavor. Yeah, that's this it. See, this it. It's delicious. It makes everything taste good. It makes everything look nice, taste delicious. This is Mary Dami fried rice spice. This is make it taste good, delicious. See? Now it's done. See, it's done. And please don't forget Mary Dami fried rice spice. Please don't forget to buy it. You can use it for steak too. See, this is anything you want to use it for is good for it. It's delicious. Anything that you want. Please don't forget and like, comment and share. This is it. You can use it for anything. Yes, anything that you want to use it for. See, this is it. Yeah, this is it. See. Thank you. Bye. God bless you.